But I was invited today to talk a little bit about hope for Haitians, and I wanted to give you some ideas. I know that Mrs. Gogol was talking about creating some exciting things here at the school to help build a house in Haiti. But that doesn't mean much to you, does it? We're just going to help build a house in Haiti. Who teaches geography? Teachers? How many of you are teaching geography? Okay, our first geography lesson. Where is Haiti? Anybody know where Haiti is? No? Okay. All right, so let's take a look. Let's start with the Northern Hemisphere. You know what that is, right? So we're in the middle of it, the Northern Hemisphere, and then if we just look at it quickly, right there's a nice little star, and that's where we are today, right? We're sitting here in Freeport. And then on this map, if I go again, down here, this little star came up, and it's Haiti right there. And you say, boy, that's pretty close. It's right off the coast of Florida. Cuba's first, and then Haiti right next to it. So, but that picture really doesn't help, does it? Do you want me to hold this closer? Or, can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. All right. This is not a Verizon commercial. So, Haiti then sits here. You see coast of Florida here and the Keys. You've got the Bahamas, you've got Cuba, and then Haiti is the island there. Now, who knows what happened in 1492? Yes, and what did Christopher Columbus find? Okay, we're going back to grade school now, and some of what we learned early on, at least I learned this. He landed in Hispaniola. Everybody thinks he landed in the U.S., but he landed in Hispaniola. And Hispaniola happens to be, oh, that's not it. Hispaniola happens to be, I have fat fingers today. This island, which is now Haiti and the Dominican Republic. And where did he land? He landed right there in Cap Haitian, Haiti. So as we move forward, he landed right there in 1492. And that's what he discovered, the Americas. So we got geography, we got history. What else do we need to learn today? Just a couple of other things. One is, you can see our projects, and our projects mainly are in the northern part of Haiti, and we have one that we put down in the bottom, the very first village we built in 2001. So there's a few other things. One is, you may have heard in 2010, there was an earthquake in Haiti. It killed thousands of people because their houses they're built up hills, and they're just made of whatever they can find. And so it killed thousands of people in 2010, and just recently we heard of Hurricane Matthew, which killed hundreds of people in Haiti as well. And that Hurricane Matthew actually pretty much wiped out this whole peninsula. So what does that have to do with anything? Well, Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. There's nothing else like it. So as we go on, the earthquake did some damage. You can see here, after the earthquake, this was at one of the good streets, but you can see things that had fallen down. And then you see some other pictures. The rubble that they had to dig through to try to find people. Hopefully alive, but most of them died. You see rescue workers, you see this then is, your desire is to build a house. Well, this is a house in Haiti. That's mud and sticks. The sticks woven together. It kind of looks like a wicker basket. Another picture will show it a little bit better. But this is what we're replacing. People who do have homes like this. And Hope for Haitians is replacing those homes for them. So these are some pictures of different homes. What you can see up here in this picture. That's actually inside. Think of being in your bedroom. You're in your bedroom, outside. That's the homes that they live in. Most of the homes that we're replacing, I would say your parents wouldn't even let you go into them. They wouldn't let you visit them. They're in that bad shape. And then you see here some fresh water, and how they get fresh water to their house in a nice clean bucket. And that's what they drink and cook with. So, as we move on, and I want to, this is a quick video of what we do.
This trip was way different in the ability to see the effect of the mission. On this mission, we were able to see the living standards of people prior to and after our mission had been completed. It was really rewarding to be able to see that difference.
Madame Noir, she had over 200 children that she's feeding.
We work with the worst of the worst, you know. We progress of the food, that's right. We